Hello, welcome to our cell biology course. And I put in particular this image because we are going to do a lot of imaging analysis due to the pandemic. I think is a good substitute uh, for the lab in case that we cannot have lab anymore in person for a little bit. And I hope that at the end of the course, the idea is that many of you will have a poster to present. Some of you will present it in a conference in at the end of March, and some of you, I hope that if you're interested, there will be some conference in September, and you will show your results there. So the agenda of this semester, the class will be divided in two main sections. So this is a second year class, so we are going to develop a research project. And as a result of that research project, as I said, some of you will present it in conference, so some of we will do part of that work in Zoom because it will be using this software ImageJ, and some of that it could also be can be done in person. So we hopefully, depending on how the cases of COVID change, we can move more into in-person classes, but we will see. In addition, the video lectures, they will be online, so you can watch it during the week. And when we are in class, during the class, we will take some quizzes to make sure that you watch the lectures, and they will be posted on Moodle. So this is your textbook, and your videos presentations will be based on this textbook. As this is a second year course, I want that you practice how to do presentations. So in the first weeks, you're going to prepare your presentation. So we're not going to have classes. We are just going, I want that you spend that time to check the schedule for your presentation, check this different information that I give you. This is a talk that is very good about how to make a scientific presentation. And here you will have to write a summary of those two. Just has to be a page of that. After the second week, every class will be very similar. So you have things to do before class and things to do during the class. So before the class, if you go into this folder, you will see the video lecture. If you click there, you will find a PDF file, and there that it will be linked to the video that you have to watch. Here, as usual, you have a summary that you have to write. As I said before, it has to be at least one page. If you want to know more about the summaries, there is another video that I talk about that. And there will be a combination here of the video lectures between your video presentation. And in addition, there will be talks of professor of eye biology that are experts on, so you will hear expert on each one of these topics. And so you will find them, all of them there, and you have to write a summary of at least one page. And in class, you will have to answer some questions, and during the class, we will take the quiz. And all the classes will be, we will do it in a similar way. In addition to the video lectures, in some cases, you will have an online lab. So for example, in the beginning, you will have this one about microscopy. And here you will have, inside here, you will have a video lecture or an exercise that is pre-recorded that I already, then you have to, in some cases, write a summary or solve an exercise, or there will be something that you have to do that I will explain in the video and I will explain in class. And in some cases, you will have, again, some questions for a quiz, and a quiz that you can answer. And in many cases, do not make too many quizzes. during at the same time. You can take some of those quizzes will be before the class, yeah. So you can take it during the week, while this one will be, while the ones from the lectures will be during the class.